When you're out and about in the mountains, the weather can change very quickly indeed. So it's essential to be prepared for such changes and to know exactly what to do if the weather does turn nasty. One of the main issues up on the mountain is wind. It may be a calm day at ground level, but up on the peaks, the wind can be much stronger. The wind can be around 2.5 times stronger at the summit than at sea level. Wind speeds of around 30 miles an hour make for difficult walking, whilst 40 miles an hour will knock walkers off balance. So it's a good idea to avoid exposed ridges during windy weather. As well as the wind speeds, consider the air temperature up on the mountains. It may be warm and sunny at sea level, but as you climb, there can be a 1 degree Celsius temperature drop per 100 metres. This feels even colder when the air is wet, and with the effect of wind, this will add a further drop to temperatures too. For example, an air temperature of 4 degrees Celsius will have a wind chill of -3 degrees Celsius if there was a 32 mile per hour wind. In these conditions, a good waterproof jacket and trousers will reduce the chance of wind and wet penetrating through. And it's always important to keep the body core dry and warm. In addition, hats and gloves will keep the extremities warm and dry too. Visibility can change up on the mountains, and low cloud is a common issue and can make navigation much harder. Low cloud makes obvious paths and trails hard to follow. Also, the temperature drops and the air becomes damp. It's a good idea to always have good map and compass skills. You can develop these skills on coastal or low-level paths so that should visibility be bad on the mountains, you are able to get yourself down safely. Before heading out into the mountains, check out the weather conditions because they can change very quickly indeed. Keep your eye on those weather conditions throughout the day, and if there is a deterioration, then seek shelter, remaining there until there's an improvement, or come down from the mountain. After all, it'll always be there for another day. In the meantime, for a more detailed forecast, check out the Met Office Mountain Area Forecast web pages.